Hello you guys, I cannot wait to show you these leggings that I just got. They're workout leggings from the brand Wakyme or Wakyme.com. This is a great option for you to wear it every day and also work out. Hey you guys, so here are the leggings. I love how they look, how they feel. They have the booty shaping here, which makes them look bigger and nicer. It has the tummy control here. It doesn't like tie you very hard, but it controls your tummy. I love that they're like super stretchy, super comfy. They smell so good. And I had another pair. And they smell the same after you wash them. So it works. And I totally and highly recommend them because they look great, they are comfy, affordable, and they smell great.
Hi, today I want to show you my gym set. Very nice, I really like it. Look on this top and very nice back, and also leggings with push up. My butt looks very beautiful. And also you can change your bottom or you can change your top and combine different looks. Also I received these shorts. Very nice, I like it.
After seeing all these amazing features, what are you waiting for? Grab this set now before it sells out. And guess what? Wakyme is having their spring sale right now. But wait, before you shop, let me tell you how to get free gifts and a pair of free leggings or shorts with your purchase. Stick around and I'll show you how to make the most of this sale. This Crisscross sports bra is one of the best sellers of their site. There are many girls show on the product pages. If you want to see how this sports bra looks in motion, check out the product video on the detail page. You'll get a full 360 view of the fit, fabric, and how it moves with you. They also have a buy more save more deal. If you buy 3 pieces, you get a free gift, a canvas tote bag, which has a yoga mat carrier pocket. This is just what I need for my yoga class. This is the shorts I was holding in my hand. This scented V-back shorts can be mix and match with the Crisscross sports bra. This shorts smell like fresh lemons. I bought 5 pieces and scored a free shorts. This spring sale is seriously a steal. Perfect timing. I just refreshed my wardrobe and I couldn't be happier. Hurry up, besties. Go check them out at wakyme.com before the sale ends.